In this video, we'll be creating these animated views using HTML and CSS. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCraft. You can learn code fastly and efficiently. I'll create a simple index.html file here. I'll maximize this. I will use Emmet abbreviation. I will also create a style.css and I will link this CSS to my HTML. Now inside the body of this HTML I will create a div and the class name will be container, and inside this div I will create 5 further div using the Visual Studio Code functionality. Now I'll go to my CSS and first I'll style the body. The background color will be black and the display will be flags. Height will be 100 ph. Justify content will be center and a line item will be center. Now I will style the container. The width will be 60 pixel. Height will be 40 pixel. And display will be text. Justify content, space between, and gap will be 8 pixel and a line item in center. Now inside this container I will also style the div here. I'll style this div here, you can see inside this container. Now the background will be orange and width will be 10 pixel. Height will be 40 pixel and the border radius will be 8 pixel and the height will be 6 pixel. Now what will I do? I'll simply create an animation here using the keyframe and name these views. The post will be 0%, second will be 25%, and third will be 50%, and the last will be 100%. Now inside the 0% height will be 6 pixel and the transform will be translate y and this will be 0 pixel also, and the background color will be this. I'll copy this, paste this inside here and inside the 50%, inside the 100% also. Now inside the 50% the height will be 40 pixel and the transform or transfer text will be -5, and also I will add the scale y 1.7. Background will be this. And now again the 50% height will be 6 pixels, this will be same, but the background color will be this. And in this, the height will be same, the transform by will be same, and the background color will be this. So now I will add this animation in the div also. So I will use the animation, and the name of this is views, and it will be 2.3 seconds. This will be infinity, and this will be easy out. So now I'll go to my browser. I have started the host, localhost colon 3000. Here you can see this is how this animation feels, but it is not good yet. What will I do? I will simply put the animation delay in every div. So I will say dot container div and child. This will be 2. Inside this, the left will be align pixel, and the animation delay will be 0.2 seconds. I'll simply copy this I'll do this again. I have typed Ctrl C again, Ctrl C. I have copied this 5 times, and now this will be third, and the left will be 22 pixel, and this will be 0.4 second. Now this will be fourth child, left will be 33 pixel, this will be 0.6, this will be the fifth child, left will be 44 pixel, and the animation delay will be 0.8. This will be again the fifth, and the left will be 55 pixel, and the animation delay will be, as you guess, this will be gone. Now into my browser again, and reload this, so you can see this is how this animation appears. This is how you can do this. You can see it as a loading. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.